Hi friends, you are going to recognize and use plurals that add es to words after changing the final f or fe to v. So let's look here in our two-way sort. We have a category that says life, and that's the single form, and then over here we have the category that says lives, and that's the plural form. So let's look at our directions. They say make and write plural forms of words. Read each word, then write the plural form of the word in the two-way sort. So the first important thing that you need to do is to read the word in the singular column, in the singular side of the sort. So this side says half. Now we need to make it say halves and make it plural. So you're going to come over here, you'll click in the text box, and you'll do your best to type. Now I'm not going to type halves like that. I have to drop VF and add VES like this so that it says halves. Okay. Be sure to read each word, click the text box, and then begin typing.